Hello, my lovelies. I don't think you know how excited I am to be working with Myfirstwig again. They sent me this gorgeous asymmetrical bob, and this is what's in the bag. One thing about Myfirstwig, they are going to come with you with combs, with clips, with everything you need to help lay down your wig. So I did ask for it to be jet black, and as you know, I love a cheeky jet black wig. Also, the knots are pre-bleached, they're pre-plucked. So this wig is literally just a wig that you can get on go. The only thing that I had to change was the parting. I do not like left side partings. My right side, like I say, I've said this for years, is my good side. I can't even lay a wig down on my left side. I can't do it. So I had to change that. And within doing that, I changed kind of like how the asymmetrical bob was looking like, because as you know, one side should be shorter than the other, but I let it work. Honestly, I showed you before how the wig would look anyways on the left side. I just wish I could just change it to the right side as an option, because like I said, I really do not like left side partings. Like, right side is just for me. So that's the only thing, and that's just my personal opinion, my personal preference, you know. But yeah, if you don't mind, then the wig is literally just a get on and go wig. And as you can see, I'm trying to do like a side parting, and I kind of do like a C-shaped side parting. I don't like when it's just straight, so it's something about a C-shaped parting. And because I put the wig cap that they provided underneath, like you could just the parting was just clean. It was so clean. But I'm just going to use some mousse, and I'm literally going with my hairdryer with the mousse as well to kind of just like train the hairs to stay where they are now, because they have been trained to go onto the left side. We're going to train them to be on the right side, child. And as you can see, just look, I did not have to do much at all. The hairs were literally listening to me. They were doing everything they were supposed to do. So then I go in with my scissors, and I'm literally just cutting around my ear. I like to do this step when, you know, I'm trying to fit on the wig around my ear, because as you can see, I've got a low hairline. My hairline comes like below my ear, so it's quite hard sometimes to kind of try and fit a wig that fits me all the way through. But this wig had plenty of lace, she had plenty of space, and that's what I love about this wig also. But if you want more information on this wig, guys, just look in the information box, please, because everything will be listed, including the direct link to this wig. So I'm going to go with my blow dry. This is my Dyson blow dry. I love this blow dry. It literally just makes everything so faster. And then I'm going to go on top with the lace spray as well, on top of the lace, just to get that more extra security as well, which was perfect. And then I go in again and I do the same for the other side. So yeah, I just take my zigzag scissors again, and then I went in and cut the lace. But this wig was just so easy. It was such a relaxing process. Sometimes I get very stressed when trying to do wigs, and it was just so easy. And also my first wig literally puts everything in the box that you need. So of course you've got the comb, you've got the clips, and you've got the band as well. But make sure you check the information box below, guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.